UNICEF joined the annual Batanani Walk in partnership with Botswana Police and Mascom, who are the lead organizers of this annual event. And it is more exciting that this year the focus is on online safety of children and young people. Even more comforting to see different stakeholders from the private sector contributing to the well-being of children, because we understand that from the process of this walk, Mascom is going to be contributing to the establishment of Child Protection Center or child-friendly police station. And for us at UNICEF, this is very pertinent because we are worried about the increasing levels of violence against children. So it is really comforting to see the private sector coming on board to fight and to join hands with government, to join hands with UNICEF, to join hands with the entire UN family and different partners to step up and ensure that every child is protected from any form of harm.